Do you feel afraid of making mistakes when speaking English? Let me tell you something that will change everything. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your best teacher. Welcome to Plain Simple English. My name is Sarah. I know exactly how you feel. That fear of saying something wrong. That worry people will judge you. But today, I'm going to show you why mistakes are actually the secret to fluency. If you enjoy lessons like this, please subscribe and like this video. Let's begin. Why mistakes matter. Think about how a child learns to speak. Do they wait until they know perfect grammar? No. They just start talking. They say I go to park instead of I went to the park. They say 2 foot instead of 2 feet. But do they stop speaking? Never. They keep talking, making mistakes, and learning. And within a few years, they speak fluently. Not because they studied grammar rules, but because they practiced without fear. This is exactly how you learn too. Every mistake you make teaches your brain something new. That's how fluency is built. One mistake at a time. Mistakes show progress. Here's something important to understand. If you never make mistakes, it means you're not trying. Mistakes prove that you are practicing. New sentences. New expressions. When you say something and realize it's wrong, your brain learns. Next time, you remember. This is real learning. Not from a textbook, but from your own experience. Mistakes build confidence. This might sound strange, but it's true. When you accept that mistakes are normal, something amazing happens. The fear disappears. You stop worrying about being perfect. You start focusing on communicating. And when you communicate, even with small errors, people understand you. That understanding gives you confidence. That confidence makes you speak more. And the more you speak, the better you become. It's a beautiful cycle. The courage to continue is always more important than perfection. Here's a simple practice you can do at home. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Talk about your day, your favorite food, anything. Then listen back. Don't feel bad about mistakes. Instead, notice them like a teacher. Oh, I said I go yesterday instead of I went yesterday. Write it down. Practice the correct way 3 times. That's it. You just turned a mistake into a lesson. Do this once a week. You'll be amazed at how fast you improve. Try this exercise. Ask yourself a question. What did I do today? Answer it out loud. Today I wake up early. That's a mistake, but keep going. I eat breakfast. Another mistake. Then I go to work. Keep answering, even with mistakes. After you finish, think about the correct way. I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. Now say it correctly 3 times. This trains your mouth to speak naturally. The truth about fluency. Remember this always. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to speak. Every mistake is a step forward, not a wall stopping you. Think of mistakes as practice notes guiding you to fluency. Native speakers make mistakes too. They say they forget words, they correct themselves. But they keep speaking. And that's what makes them fluent. Not perfection. Consistency. So here's what you learned today. Mistakes are proof you are learning. Children learn by making mistakes constantly. Mistakes show progress and build confidence. You can turn every mistake into a lesson. Practice without fear of being wrong. If this video helped you see mistakes differently, please like and subscribe to Plain Simple English. Share it with someone who is afraid to speak English. And tell me in the comments. What mistake have you learned from recently? I read every comment and I'll reply to yours. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes, keep growing. See you in the next lesson.